Hello, in this video we're gonna check the performance of the charger that comes with your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. And we'll do this by plugging in the charger to this GoSun smart socket, and it will transfer statistics to this phone. You'll be able to see them right here. So now let's plug in this GoSun smart socket. After that, plug the charger into the phone, and let's wait about 20-30 seconds till the statistics are stable. So right here, statistics should be stable now, and you can see the exact performance of this charger. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.